Hi everyone, my name is Anjali. I'm a makeup artist. This Shweta ma'am is helped very much for me because I am very fear. I am no confident. But after I attend this course, ma'am teached how we'll get out our fear and how we'll whatever we get pain that time we'll wish and that wish helped me feel if yesterday I go on some so much of angry time. That time I practiced that. So please forgive me. I'm sorry. I love you. I thank you. This will be helped me so much. I whenever these 5 days, I realized that this course will be benefited for me, and I saw the changes in my life. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And you are explaining things and you are taking care of your team members. Thank you so much for your service, ma'am. Thank you.